Hey everyone, so today we are making a new recipe. So stay tuned, and if you like it, do try it at home. So you must be wondering where are the ingredients, but this is it. There are no more ingredients to it. This recipe just for the people who are very health cautious or who are on diet. So just check it out. So first step is take a grated coconut, no oil as you can see. Okay, so put it in a utensil or a bowl and keep it on a low flame. Okay, you will be surprised with the taste as well because it definitely tastes yummy and good. Then add some ginger garlic chili coriander paste to it, the grated one. Then put the marinated chicken in it, as you can see. Try to marinate chicken just at least minimum 30 minutes before or 1 or 2 hours before you make this recipe. For marination, use ginger garlic, you can use lemon, salt as per your requirement, and that's all. Then you're done. Now, as you can see, there are no spices to it, but yes, after some time, you can add in just light or some spices to it. So, add salt as per your need, add little water, you can say a half cup of a water or more than a half cup of a water as per your requirement. Then just give it a good stir, mix everything well, all the coconut and all the mixture that you have added to it, give a good stir and start for just about 5 minutes. Keep it on a low flame and then you can increase the flame of it. You can make it to a medium. Now, as you can see, the chicken has become little moist, soft. There is a little water to it. Okay, so it's cooking at medium flame, and it might take about 15 to 20 minutes for this recipe. You can add some spices to it like cumin seeds, pepper powder, then garam masala as per your taste and requirement. Okay, so you can modify it a little bit of. Then you can add curry leaves as well as you can add kasturi methi to it. And here is Vanessa making the recipe. She's making it for a person who is fitness freak. So that's the reason, and that's how we have invented or learned about this recipe, which is very healthy and as well as yummy in taste. So do try it at home and definitely enjoy it, as it is perfect for health cautious people. And to garnish and taste, add some coriander leaves, and that's it. You're done with the recipe. So enjoy it and do try it for your family, and I'm sure you'll love it. So keep watching for more recipes and more more amazing things. So see you in the next vlog. Bye.